Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting episode in our Photoshop design series where I make Photoshop fun and exciting. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this flyer inside of Photoshop, right? So join me while we create this together. If you have your laptops and your PCs ready, let's jump right into this and let's work towards creating this flyer inside of Photoshop. If you've not subscribed, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the post notification so that I don't miss any videos I'll be dropping anytime from now. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on File and New like this. And then of course I'm going to set my page size. So it's going to be a 4 by 5 inches please. I'm going to put the name here. Alright, so if you're a beginner, this is where you have the name. And I'm going to click on Create. Now to get the Photoshop software, click on the link in the description of this video to get yours. Now click on solid color, not that it actually matters, just so we have a soft place to land. So I'm just going to leave it at white here like this. And the next thing I'm going to do is pretty much very simple. Go over to my resource file. The link to download this resource file is in the description of the video. Don't forget to always check the description of every video for the resource files. So I'm just going to expand this. Go to filter, apply some blur to this, Gaussian blur, and increase this like this, and click OK. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the images. I'm going to bring in this first. Pretty much very simple. Reduce the size to big and position it somewhere here. And I want to take out those edges, so click on the mask, select the brush, B for brush, and make sure your foreground color is set to black. Turn off your cap lock if it's off, and then reduce your flow here to, let's say, like 50, and you can do something like this to conceal these regions. Easy peasy. Go over to resource file again. I'm going to bring in the next image. Hold down the Alt key to view on all sides. I'm going to position this one here, make it slightly bigger, and click on the mask. The same thing I did with the first one. I'm going to conceal these areas like this. Okay. Select the two of them and you can either convert them to smart objects or group them first. Right click and convert to smart objects. So I can move this anywhere I want to move. They are now one single image. So I'm going to position this here like this and move this upward. I'm going to apply mask and I'm going to conceal this part here, so that I have a nice blend. Okay. So moving on, go over to your resource file. The next image you should bring in is this image here. So just drag and drop or use the place embedded command. So I have this in place. Change the blend mode to screen and you can reduce the opacity here, but I'm just going to leave mine somewhere around here. I think this is fair enough. Create a new layer directly above that and double click on the color, select this and move over to where you have this color. You can copy the color code and with my brush selected, I'm going to turn my flow back to 100 and I'm going to paint on these areas like this, make my brush big and cover these areas like this. to have a nice blend so my text can actually stay somewhere there. Create another new layer, double click on this and shift towards a darker region. Click OK and apply that here and here to have vignette effect. You can see how this is turning out. So this is how to actually use your pen brush to build gradient inside of Photoshop. So increase this like this and bring this downwards. I'm just going to reduce this so it's not too much. And somewhere here is good. The next thing I'm going to do is let me just stay on top. I'm going over to have my text, my first text that has the dates and the address. It's going to be here. I'm just going to move it up. I spent time to type this so that I don't waste time on this video. The next text I'm going to bring in is this one here. So I'm just dragging and dropping like this. And this is where it's going to be. So click enter, click on the images, move them downwards so that I can have space between them and the main text. So going back to the main text, I'm going to add some special effects. But before then, let me apply a color balance. So you can copy my settings on this to make yours look great. Increase this like this. Select this, go over to the graphics bundle, go over
with over 1,000
now this
premium
is premium
fonts.
assets.
Premium fonts. Over 100 high quality PSD flyer templates.
So inside here, you have different kinds of backgrounds and elements for your design. So you can select anyone and you can use them for your design. I'm going to select this and I'm just going to bring this inside like this. So get the Smart Premium Design and Assets. The link is in the description of this video, right? So take advantage of these freebies that you have. Click enter and drag it down here like this. And right click and create clipping mask, make sure it's on the text. And I'm just going to apply blur to this, filter blur and Gaussian blur. And then of course make it pop like this and click OK. And yeah, you can see how easy that was to create something like this. Okay, cool. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the two of them, group them, come here, select curves adjustment. This is curves, clip it to the layer. You can either reduce or increase based on what you want. And make a snapshot, Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a snapshot, and apply noise to this. Not too much, somewhere around here is good. Click OK when you're done. And guys, if you've gotten to this point, if you've created exactly what I've created, congratulations to you. You are one step to becoming a professional using Photoshop. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to turn on that post notification so that you would see my posts immediately I make any post on YouTube. Till I come your way, ciao.